A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You think say anybody at all holy like God? No, seriously. Anybody holy like Yahweh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And you subscribe yet? If you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. If you don't want to miss none of what I go on, right here so. Today, me I go read from the letter we name Revelation chapter 15 from verse 1 to verse 8. Me see one another big and important sign in a heaven. The seven angel them, we have the last seven terrible sitting them, we cause wicked sufferation. After all them sitting are done, God now go vex no more, cause him done judge the people them. Mrs. Sitting will look like one glass sea mixed with fire. And me see the people them will never get into the wild animal or worship the sitting where they make to look like him. And we never take him number for him name. Them did turn up side of the glass sea. And in a them hand, them did have the ark them where God give. And them did a sing the song where Moses, God's servant, sing. And the song where the baby sheep sing. Lord God, you're powerful. And everything where you do, powerful. You are king for all of the country them in the world. And everything where you do and say are true. Oh Lord, who wouldn't afraid of you and big you up and give you enough respect? Cause nobody else no holy like you. All of the people them in the world have to go come kneel down in front of you and worship you. Cause everybody see, say everything where you do right. After them done sing, me look and see God house open up in heaven. That are the tent with the stone book, with the promise where God did make with him people them. And the seven angel them, we have the seven terrible sitting them where we make people suffer, come out of God's house. Them did have on linen clothes with it clean and shine. And all of them did have on one broad gold belt cross their chest. Then one of the four wild animal them give the seven angel them seven gold bowl full of the wine we show say God well vex. God will live forever and ever. God bright light and in power full up him house with smoke. Nobody couldn't go in a God house till the seven terrible sitting them done. The terrible sitting where the seven angel them did have to make people suffer. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.